In this video, we are going to check out arrays. We have looked at objects that bundles data together. But what if you need to keep things in a certain order? That's when arrays comes in handy. Arrays are like a magic box where you can store a lineup of things, like toys in a toy box. Imagine you numbered each toy as you put it in. That's how arrays keep track of stuff. Starting at zero, every item gets its own number. So you will always find your favorite toy where you left it. But it's not just toys. You can keep in the magic box everything. Arrays can hold anything, letters, numbers, or even other smaller boxes. Let's say we are collecting marbles. We can make an array named My Marbles. The cool thing is, no matter what we put in our array, it remembers the order. First in, first out. And if you over get curious about how many items you have, just ask for the length of the array. Like my marbles dot length. So it's showing 3. So even if you are mixing and matching different stuffs, like adding a list of your favorite fruits or even writing down a few secret codes, arrays hold it all together neatly. But unlike objects, where each piece of information has a name, items in an array are just given those automatic numbers. And if you're building something that needs the names of place, so all the parks in your cities arrays are perfect because they keep the names in which order you need. Like this, if I have let city parks and this is our another array. Here is an example of JavaScript array that includes multiple data type. Let mixed array, and then I have the first element of an array, which is string. Second element of an array is number. Third element of an array is boolean. Fourth element of an array is object. Fourth element of an array is array type. Array is can be inside an array. So something like 3, 4, 5, 6. And function also can be inside an array. And the last one, which is null type. So this is our mixed array which holds everything like string, number, boolean, and object. Another array of a function is special null value. Each element is a different data types in this. This is actually showing the versatility of an array in JavaScript. Let's swipe up another array. To start, we will make a list of dessert recipes. An array is like a shopping list where each item has a place in a line. So now we'll add our recipe. First, we have got chocolate cake, then apple pie and cheesecake. Just like that, our sweet list is taking shape, something like this. To check a recipe, use its place number starting with 0. If we want to change apple pie to blueberry muffins, we just assign a new recipe for number one, like this. Number one is showing apple pie. We are assigning now to him blueberry. So it's now added. Adding more traits, push a recipe onto the list. If you ate all the cheesecake, use pop to remove it from our array. So something like this. Dot. We will use a push method to add a new one. This is called pumpkin. Pumpkin roll, and is now 4 items in our array. And if we want to remove the last item, pumpkin roll. And now say we want to use lemon tart without continuing the recipe, we will use the array length to find the next open spot. Something like desert recipe and then desert recipe dot length, and we are going to use